Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 65 from the Directorate of Education, class 10, subject science, and today we discuss how do organisms reproduce. Is reproduction is mandatory for survival or not? No. Reproduction, it is a process student which is essential for the perpetuation of the species, but for the survival it is not necessary. We can survive without reproducing, but for continuation of the species, for study about the new organisms, and for the survival of the species, it is necessary. Okay. Do organisms create exact copy of themselves? Student, organisms look similar if their body designs are similar, and if their body designs are to be similar, thus reproduction is at the most basic level will involve making the blueprint. If we want to study about the blueprints of the organism, then we have to study the reproduction, because by the process of reproduction, any organism produces a new organism of its own kind. Second, who is responsible for that copying, for that blueprint? So that is the DNA. What is the DNA, student? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and these molecules are present in the chromosome in the nucleus of the cell. What they carry? They carry the information for the inheritance from parents to the next generation. Okay. DNA is in the information source of making the protein. So for information, who have making proteins? DNA. And if this information gets changed, then different proteins there to change the altered body designs. Therefore, the copying or the duplication of DNA through the replication is called DNA copying, and it can be inherited to the progeny. Progeny means the coming generation. If there is a duplicacy in the DNA in making protein, that also there will be changes you observe in coming generation, coming progeny. Next, what is the importance of variation, student? Why variation? Why the changes are very necessary? First, the population of the organism will well defined places using their ability to reproduce. It means all the organisms have their proper places in the ecosystem for reproduction. But the consistency of DNA copying, whenever they reproduce, they have a consistency of DNA copying, which is very important, student, because it prepare a organism with new body design. And so reproduction is a link to the stability of the population. So reproduction is necessary for the stability of populations. Next, for example, student, if a population of a reproducing organism were suited to a particular niche, it means if an organism is very prone to the cold area, and if its new generation is also prone to the cold area, then if there is any mishappening, then all the species got died. But if there is a DNA copying, if there will be a variation, changes in the new progeny, then due to the epidemic time, the first generation got died, but the second generation survived due to the changes. So variation also tells us about the survival of the species. It is very useful in studying the survival of species. Next, what is reproduction? Reproduction means reproduction is a process by which an organism produce new individual that look like them, and it is of two types, asexual and sexual. In asexual reproduction, student, only one parent is needed, but in sexual two parents are involved. In asexual reproduction, no fusion of DNA occur, but fusion of gametes occur in the presence of DNA. In asexual reproduction, the offspring is very identical to parents, and in sexual, offspring is different from the parents. Now let's do the practice questions. Name the life process that ensure a plant or animal will not disappear, that is reproduction. Second, what is the importance of DNA copying in the reproduction? So it is your second answer. Third one, why is the variation beneficial for the survival? That example is your third answer. Define the reproduction and its type. This is your fourth answer. If an organism is reproducing without the fusion of the gamete, that it is called the asexual reproduction. Last one, write the source of making the protein, that is DNA. So student, if you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates. Thank you.